The moisturizing agent levels are holding at 99.8% consistency.
Verified. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
We had a slight fluctuation on the viscosity readings. It corrected immediately. Everything is within the parameters.
Pressure levels are stable across all lines now.
Good. Maintain the current parameters and monitor the depth sensors closely.
Surface scans look good across the board. Weight and dimensions confirmed.
Excellent. Approved for packaging. The alignment on arm 4 is drifting slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the offset now.
The audio is characterized by soft mechanical sounds, including clicks, hums, and pneumatic air.
Look at that throughput. We're well within tolerance.
The accuracy rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
Boxes now pass through a final automated visual inspection zone. High-speed cameras and lasers detect.
The inventory count for the global shipment is perfectly aligned.
Millimeter accuracy across the board. The new shuttles are performing flawlessly. Rerouting the pallets to line 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining optimal flow.
Look at the fluctuation on the West Coast line.
It seems stable now, but I'll keep an eye on the sensors.
Ensure the Dove shipment for loading bay 3 is prioritized.
Confirmed. The robotics adjusted the alignment perfectly.
Pallet 7 is showing moisture levels outside the acceptable range.
Confirmed. Rework station is clear for diversion.
discrepancy detected on Unit 4. Reroute to Inspection Bay 2.
Acknowledged. Team mobilizing now.
The temperature spiked briefly here in Sector 4, but the cooling units compensated immediately. The humidity levels remain.
The simulation shows optimal shelf impact.
Agreed. The camera inspection data confirms the branding is perfectly centered.
The weight distribution is perfect on this one.
And the next container is already being prepped. Good work.